So in this video we're going to walk through doing an update. As you notice when I open AMSI here, it says at the top a new version of AMSI v12 is available. It shows what our current version is and the latest version available, and to click that link to go to the download page. But the first thing we want to do is back up our system. So we're going to go under admin and then utilities, and we have a database backup utility in AMSI here, and ask if we want to continue because it could take some time. I have very little data in here, so it should not take all that much time, and there it is, completed. So now we're going to back up the actual AMSI folder. So we backed up the data, so now if I go into Windows Explorer here, my local C drive, and this is where my AMSI folder resides. So I'm just going to copy this and a quick backup here, paste it in the same location. Typically you'd back up and have this offsite, etc. But this is just a quick and easy backup before we do the update. And so once that's done, I am going to rename this here. I'll just right click and choose rename, and I will go to the end here, and I'm just going to say whatever date it is. In there I have the backup of my executable, so if I ever need to revert back to this version of AMSI, I can do so by restoring the data and this version of AMSI for the executable. So now to run the update, I'm going to click the top here, and that's going to open up my browser and take me right to Technology for Retailers member portal login, which I already have information saved there, so I'll just hit login. You simply put in your email address and password that you signed up for member portal, and then we have the program update, so I click submit, and it's going to list all the program updates available, the newest version of course, v12 at the top. And from here I can click this update note so I can read what is in this update before I actually install it. Otherwise I can just simply click the AMSI v12 executable, and you'll see in the lower left hand corner of my browser that that is downloading. So now once that's downloaded, I can simply just click choose open when done, and that should launch automatically. So this is giving me a message that it's unsure of what this file is. Well, we know what it is. It's our update, so we can just click more info and run anyway. Here's our user account control security, so we're just going to answer yes to continue with that. And then basically we just have to click next and install, and that's going to go through and install the software for us. So it's telling me right now that I have a copy of AMSI open, which, okay, I can have it automatically close the application for me or just close it myself, so I'll just have it close it for me. So it closes AMSI for us, extracts all the files, and it will install them also. And so it takes a few minutes to install the update. And there we're finished, and I can have the option of launching AMSI, which I will keep checked, and we'll open AMSI. And you'll notice once AMSI does open that red bar across the top is no longer there because we are of course on the newest update. But first it's going to ask if we want to print the report of the update notes, which is optional. We can or can't. Again, it's on the download page here. Either way, you have the ability to get those notes, and there you go. AMSI is fully updated, no red bar across. And as always, we would like you to have the newest update of the software as that's going to have the newest enhancements, changes, any fixes that were done, etc. So you'll have the latest and greatest. Thanks.